Today is Saturday, October 5th, 2024, and this is Rosie's litter at 2 weeks old. And I know we were supposed to send this out yesterday, but yesterday just got hectic for us. We finally got our power back on. Thank you to all the linemen who worked so hard to get it back on. So we had a lot of work to do to get everything caught up. So Rosie's got 5 puppies in this litter. And they are really growing very well. I've got beautiful coats. They're really thick. So I caught everybody at mealtime. We've got, hey Rosie. Let's see. This one has got a silver coat to him. He's a little boy. Yep. We've got 3 little boys in this litter. So this one is silver. And this one is silver. We've got 2 silver boys. And then 1 fawn boy. Pretty sure he's the light one here. Oh, that's our fawn girl. So she's really light. And then this is our fawn boy over here. Hi, cutie. Their eyes are starting to open. They've got nice thick double coats. Let's see. So this is our black boy. You know, all babies are born with their blue eyes, and then they get darker. Pugs all have brown or black eyes. So as they get bigger, they'll darken up. And they're still in just the sleeping and eating stage. But as you can see, they're eating very well. So we'll get them weighed and get their pictures and send out the email to our families. And we will be back Monday with Puppies litter. Okay. Have a good week.